What's happening, guys? The RV's finally done. Let's take a little tour. And that's what's going on at Noah's house. Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the recreational vehicle, as I've been saying. I figured I'd give you a little tour. It's finally finished. Everything's done. Everything is complete. It was a process. Quite happy how it went. Like my little entrance. That's actually the bathroom I came out of. I thought it was going to be funny. It might be, it is. But I'm going to, I'll give you a quick little tour because I never really showed off the RV. I never really did the whole tour. Like, here's this, and this is there, and this is here, and this is this. So it's all done. In 100% honesty, we've already gone on our beach trip. So I did get it done for the beach trip, which was good time. A couple glitches on the way down, a little problem with the tail lights. That was about it, just a blown fuse, so no big deal. So let me grab this camera. Actually, I'm going to leave it on the tripod. We're going to do a little selfie stick type thing. And let's take us a little tour. Hope you guys enjoy it. Alrighty. How about we'll start at the front. I'm going to spin you around, do a little narration. Most of it you're going to figure out, but check it out. There is the cockpit. No, it's just the steering wheel. When we you're staying in a spot, and Mr. Carl, our one dog, that's where he sits the whole time we drive. We do have a nice flat screen TV. Let me zoom that out, maybe get a better. Oh, that was in. There we go. When we are at a campsite, those seats, you pull a little lever and they spin around, so it's nice. You have two seats, which I always thought, that's going to be kind of stupid. Who's going to use that? Used them every day. They were great. Let me get another light on here for you. We'll just coming around this way. There's a couch. It does pull out into a bed, and we do have a memory foam topper that goes on it, because if anybody out there has ever slept on a pull-out couch bed, they know not the most comfortable in the world. That was my daughter and her friend Dallas's bed, because, well, I bought the RV, I fixed the RV, and I'm not sleeping on a pull-out couch anymore. But it worked out well. The door, if you haven't figured that out. And we'll just walk through here. Here's the sink area. And while we're here, we might as well totally go over it. So this is everything that was taken out. These cupboards, all this stuff, little cupboards, all the window frames and everything. But as you can see, we're back up. Oh, nothing soft, no water leaks. My wife picked out that wallpaper, which I know you guys watched that video, the wallpapering video. And if you didn't, please go back, check it out. And while I got your ear, like, subscribe, share the channel around, share the videos around. If you're in the RVs, show it to some people. They can go, oh my gosh, what this poor guy had to do. If you're in the gardening, share it around. I appreciate it. So right here we have the dining area. This table does come undone somehow. My wife pulls it out so you can get the chairs in the back a little better. Just trying to do like a selfie stick type thing instead of just holding it. Originally, we didn't think we were going to like this because our other RVs, we had booth dinettes. Turns out we really like this style. Moving back. Oh, here's the fridge. We'll admit we're having a little bit of issues with the fridge. I think it's a problem with the plug out in the compartment outside, which I'm kind of working on. But for our trip, it worked aces, 100%. So here is the bathroom area. We have the sink. We have the mirror with me in it. We have this nice cupboard, which I'm not sure. Well, we stored a bunch of bread and stuff in there. Here is an odd item that we weren't looking for, but it came with the RV, so it is a washer dryer combo. Now, I've been rather consumed, as you guys know, with fixing the RV. So I haven't even delved into how that thing even works. I did try just powering it up. It does power up, so that's a good thing. Stepping back, there is the shower, which, if you look here, it's a little rubbed away. The people we got it from, it was all broken and hardly open. So it took me a moment, but that is one of my proudest things, that I fixed that shower door, and it was a pain. It had to be done. Now, right here, as I said before in my magical intro, this is the bathroom. It's got a toilet, it's got a window. That's pretty much all you need. One thing, because we have had other RVs, it's not plastic, it's like a porcelain bowl, which my wife really, really likes. One thing I will admit, it's really high off of the ground. So we think we need a little stool for when you're sitting in there. Get that light switch. And back here we have the master bedroom. This is one of the slide outs. It has 2 slide outs. The other one is where the dining room table and the pull out couch is. So this slides out. This is our double bed. It is a nice memory foam mattress. It's very comfortable. This RV is 20 years old, so we're thinking that back then having they're calling this the desk area. And see, it has a little hole in the thing there. So you can run your cords down to plug them in. I don't know, maybe you had your personal PC there or something. I don't really know. We have another TV back here. We've got some ample closet space, which nobody ever shows closet space in these. I will show you. It's not so bad. It's probably not the same as our old RV. Hey, there I am. And this is a full pulling shot from, maybe I could turn this light off and look a little better. Full pulling shot all the way out to the captain's chairs. Oh yes, there they are. But all in all, it's pretty comfortable. It's spacious. If people tell you how they just get lost in their RVs because they're so big, well, they're either millionaires or they are lying. We went to the beach. We had 4 grown adults. My daughter and her friend are both 19. And me and my wife are not 19. And we had our 2 dogs. And in about an hour, it was packed. But that's what happens on RV trips. So, spinning around again. There we go. I'm going to turn the lights off as I go. All right, make sure the bathroom's light is off. And got a lot of lights on this coach. A lot of lights. Oh, and the fridge. It is a nice, kind of residential, nice big fridge. Like I said, we're having some issues with that, but we will solve that. I have taken a little bit of a break from working on the RV. After everything and come back on the trip, I checked the roof where I did the patches with the Flex Seal, which I'm going to make a video about Flex Seal because they sent me some freebies for making a nice video for them, and I really appreciate it. So I'm going to pay it back a little and do a little bit of for them. But I needed a break from working on the RV. So the little fridge thing, I worked on it for about a half a day, and I think I had figured out what it is. But I had to let it sit because I'm just tired. Which I'm thinking every guy, woman, child out there who's worked on a project similar to this knows when it's time to say, I need a break. I did wash it though. 3 sides, the front, the back, and that side over there. We'll go out and take a look at it, and I'll explain what one of my next little things is going to be. Let me spin you around again. Oh yeah, and if everybody can see, because it is 20 years old, that's the backup camera. That's actual like a cathode ray tube, little tiny television. And it doesn't work all that great. But it'll work good enough to see the little car we towed. All right, let's get some more lights turned off here. Oh yeah. Oh, we're having issues with the automatic step. My fancy little intro coming in. I'm sure you heard that thing, and it doesn't sound very good. let's turn these off. Tell you what, one more turn off, and I'm going to show you what's going on outside. Okay, now we're outside. Let's spin you around. I'm going to show you the next little something I have in mind, which, funny enough, before the water leak was found and everything had to be inside, I was going to start messing around with this. Check it out. This is the outside. It is a royal pain to wash. I do have a nice scrub brush on a stick, but it doesn't get up high enough into those little grooves up at that top seam, so I had to get a ladder, climb up on a ladder with a bucket and a sponge. But anyway, gotta throw one of them in. Let me get a one-time zoomer here. Ooh, can you guys see the see that? Let me zoom you out. Can you see that cracking? Well, that's a stripe, and I've watched several videos on YouTube, and I have a good idea what I'm going to try to fix it, or how I'm going to try and fix it. But before I do that, I don't know if you can see here, but see how it's oxidized, and it's not shiny, and it doesn't look good. I know I'm not going to be able to get this thing back to looking like new, because like I said, it is 20 years old. This is a 2002. But I did buy some different, see how shiny that part is? I did buy some different buffing discs and some buffing compounds from Meguiar's, I do believe. And I've watched some videos and people swear by it. And I'm not looking to make the thing shine like a brand new Cadillac, but I do want it to look nice. You know, you want to look good when you're pulling in to the motorhome place. Which over here I just noticed this, and you noticed that yesterday. I don't know what that's from, but that's not good. And I hate to say it, I think it might have been me cutting the grass. Every vehicle around here, other than my wife's, has a ding in it from a rock flying out of the yard. But I washed all this, and like I said, it is a chore to get up there. Yeah, see how this is kind of yellowed and faded? That is going to be our next task. Try to fix up these. We're going to try to tape them off and sand them, and not down the whole way, but we're going to try to repaint them. We're going to try to clean everybody up, make everybody good, and we're going to be getting a new motor for the step. But all in all, this has been a tour of the 2002 Pace Aero. Finally done. Finally, where we wanted it to be. It was a good trip. It rode tried and true. Let me go inside. And we were quite happy with it. I'm going to turn a light on. I'm going to sit down. Ow. There we go. Oh. Whew. So, that's a tour of the coach. That's a tour of the RV. All done. It's running well. It's actually going up next week to get its yearly Pennsylvania state inspection. Hopefully it does well up there, but if it doesn't, I'm okay with them finding things because, well, all the things you want to be safe on the road. This big thing is it. But that's a little tour. I hope everybody enjoyed it. I hope everybody enjoyed the RV series so far with everything that happened, which I really was not expecting it to go that way, but it did. So what are you going to do? If this is your first time watching one of my RV videos, if you just happen to find us on the search, go back and look through the series and you can see the water damage, the fixes, and everything we had to do. Ooh, it has been hot in Pittsburgh, 90 degrees today. But I wanted to make a nice video of showing everything off on the coach. And I hope you enjoyed it. It's amazing that I'm done. Oh, I'll be really happy. Well, that's all I have. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.